Choosing a school is one of the most important decisions in a student's life. Because it's not just about education, it's about the environment that shapes who you become.
School is a place where students are not just taught, but truly guided through personal mentorship that helps them in their personal development. Here, learning is not a burden, it is the process of growth, self-belief, and discovery.
Our school provides a well-rounded academic environment that gives us the necessary facilities that support both learning and development. From structured classroom to doubt clearing session, everything is provided for a student to perform their best.
One of the most unique and powerful opportunities provided in Mariam Ajmal Senior Secondary School of Arts is the IAS Integrated Program for classes 11 and 12.
To build strong minds and better thinkers, Mariam Ajmal Senior Secondary School of Arts also focuses on book reading classes, which help students to improve their vocabulary.
Reading not only strengthens academic performance but develops critical thinking and deeper understanding of the world, creating a confident personality. The bond between teachers and students create a comfortable learning environment where students feel free to ask questions, express themselves, and grow without fear.
Our school takes pride in its excellent academic result year after year. You can observe here some of the achievements.
To encourage consistency and excellence, we also recognize students through Student of the Month, appreciating their hard work, discipline, and overall performance.
Admissions are now open. You can access admission link through online or collect admission form directly from our school office.
Join us and take the first step towards a brighter future.